Hey guys, able to look at this RC boat right here. This box open. Show exactly what you get when you place this order. There's everything comes. Got batteries included, so you are good to go right out the box. Got rechargeable batteries as well. These batteries are going to go with the remote. Just give you a look at that right there. There's your control panel. And the rechargeable battery is going to go with the boat itself. So look at this sweet little thing. Let's see. Pull this right out. Nice sleek finish on there. Got a little display mount too. There's our rudder. So even when this capsizes, it'll ride itself. It's going to be pretty cool to rip around the pool with. And this will take the rechargeable battery. Let's see. Open this baggie right there. We got our charger right inside there. We got a few spare parts just in case anything breaks. A couple spare parts and pieces we may or may not need, who knows. Alright guys, I'm going to get this thing up and running, put it to use, and we are going to see how well this works. Thanks for checking it out. The way I got this open, you just unlock it. Just move it to the left, pops right out. There's your battery pack. Hey guys, let's have a quick look at what you get with this remote control speedboat. So here we are, everything encased in the foam. Nice and safe. We got a remote right here. A little control panel right in the remote. So pretty familiar looking remote too if you're into RC cars the last 20 or 30 years. This is what most of them are looking like. So we got our battery pack right here. Another one. 4 AA batteries. The remote will take separate batteries from the boat. We got a little toolkit right here. Let's see what's in this. I'll get into the instructions too and see what it is exactly we're doing. Boat's probably not going to go too far without this. Alright, main unit. Let's be tactful about this. Don't want to break anything. Nice, got that Spectra Flame paint almost. Like you see on the real boats. It's glistening in the sun. It's a little bit of styrofoam from the packing. Oh, this is nice. There's the underside. So we got our rudder, our lights, all of this works too. All of that functioning. can't wait to try this out. This is really cool. Really sleek looking too. This is just gonna cut right through the water, you can tell. Like the way it's shaped and everything. This apparently has a feature too. If you flip it, you can turn it right over with the remote. And there's where all the action happens, right back there. And again, we got a remote, control panel. There's all the batteries we'll need to get that up and running. And of course, our instructions. This is a display rack right here. You put this together. You could display it in your room if you like, or in a study. So it doesn't just have to sit there like that. You want to put it up on something. So it does come with its own little shelving unit. And we got our instructions too, diagram of the product. Everything we need to know is right here, so don't lose that. Thanks for checking it out, guys.